y'all. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie and I am back at it with another video. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, what's good, what's poppin', sis, what it do? Y'all already know I like to jump right into the video. So this is the shirt. I am so sorry it's wrinkled, but at the time I didn't have an iron, so that means I couldn't iron the shirt, okay? So don't come for me. But anyways, you're gonna need a piece of cardboard so it don't bleed through the shirt. So I am going to start off with red. Y'all, this was a simple project, but only difficult part about it is just the consistency of having to keep washing the paint off for after each color. So she wanted the same little colors that JT had, City Girl, and as you can see right here, I only did 4 of my fingers, so you can play around with it and, you know, switch hands left and right, switch the angles and whatnot. But this was super easy. I think it'll be so cute with little bitty handprints. But I am not gonna talk because this video is super short and is super simple. If you try it, make sure y'all tag me on social media, but I'll be back and I will let y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Allow me to make mistakes so you don't have to. So I'm sure y'all it did bleed through, but this was my first time trying, so that's why I said make sure you use a piece of cardboard so it don't bleed through, and make sure it's the size of your hand so when you stretching your fingers, this is what the shirt should look like. So JT had a brown paper bag to match with some fingerprints on it, so we're going to try to do the same. Of course, we can find the same bag that she had, so we're going to use this one. This was pretty simple. We just using our fingerprint and just putting dots all over. So y'all, this video is so old. It was literally, I was supposed to post this like a year ago. So I'm looking at it now and I'm thinking like I could have went down a little further to make the bag pop a little more with the fingerprints. So okay, so this is the final and finishing look, and yes, come through. She definitely slayed. I love it. She loved it. So this is the one that I created for one of my clients, and the next one is another one I created. But let me know what y'all think. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure y'all follow me on all of my social media platforms. I love you guys so much, and I'm out. Peace.